इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर टीचर्स। डियर टीचर्स, आज का लेसन था हमारा लेटर एस के बारे में, जो हमने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वे में सीखा। अब कुछ और इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी बुक पे प्रेजेंट हैं, वो हैं ये।
So, dear teachers, there is a teacher's note on page number 54 that do the exercises in the workbook pages from 86 to 89. It's so important to relate these pages with the letters we are doing. Let's look at the activities. Students are little explorers. Engage the learners in a discussion about the advantages of sun. Sun. There are so many advantages of sun. Discuss them with the students, like sun give us warmth, sun give us light, and there are so many fruits and vegetables that grow because of sunlight and whatnot. Students are little innovators. Play a short video of ship sailing in the sea and let the learners watch how it moves in the water. So ship also starts with letter S. When it is combined with H, we are going to study further how the sound changes. So you are going to show the video of the ship sailing in the sea. They are little builders. Guide and help the learners to make a snowman using Play-Doh. Snowman आप Play-Doh के साथ भी बना सकते हैं. Snowman आप cotton के साथ भी बना सकते हैं. So let them make a nice snowman. Then students are little designers. Encourage them to color the sketch of the swan and letter S on the top of this page. And they are little thinkers. Place a few stones on the floor and ask the learners to count them. This way you can also add mathematics in your English lesson. As you all know that all the subjects are interrelated with each other.